Namaste. I will start my talk with Dhanvantari Saman. Dhanvantari is the god of medicine, so we always pray him to give us health. It means in English, O Lord, I bow down in front of you. You are worshipped by both gods and demons. Your divine powers bless the people of this world and bring them out of sufferings, diseases, ailments, oldness, and fear of death. O Lord, give me your medicines and blessings in abundance to remedy the sickness confronting the humanity. The first question that comes to everybody's mind is, what is immunity? In very simple word, it is a strength in our body which protects from any external or internal attacks on our health. Just to give some examples, this strength protects us from any type of infection which are known or unknown organisms like bacteria, fungus, virus, or even today's COVID-19. This strength helps us to recover from minor ailment like a common cold to very serious and dreadful diseases like cancer. What is the real cause of any disease? It is the weak immune system. This slide shows some of the places where immune factors are manufactured in our human body. This is just for example, like mucous membrane of the respiratory system and the digestive system, vessels, thymus is very important organ, even skin helps, bone marrow, spleen, lymph nodes and tonsils. So these are the places where the various immune factors are manufactured or produced in our human body. This immunity protects us from any attack of internal or external organisms which I mentioned earlier, or any substance like pollution, toxic products. Immunity protects us from all these external or internal attacks. Just now I mentioned this immunity, if it gets weakened, then we become sick. Now what are those factors? There are some factors are mentioned here, various infections which I talked earlier, pollution, air pollution, water pollution, even mental pollution like mental stress, toxic products within the body. Sometimes toxic products are also manufactured in our body, they also reduce our immunity. Or something goes outside, which like wrong food, which comes to faulty lifestyle, they also attack on our immunity and weaken it. And sometimes by birth also the immunity is low, but by efforts we can build up this immunity after the birth. Now let's see what are the common symptoms of low immunity. One feels continuously he is under stress, which could be feeling of mental or physical stress. It could be from any reason. It's a feeling of tiredness which somebody feels even after a very minor or small activity, which generally should not happen. One loses the interest in performing any physical or mental activity. Poor digestion, loss of appetite, improper bowel or motion habits. Even low immunity produces recurrent attacks of infection. It could be urinary tract infection, respiratory system infection or skin infection. Diseases like cancer, major surgery, the treatment like chemotherapy, radiation, they also reduce immunity to a lot of extent. Healthy persons means good immunity. So the T cell, B cells, the lymphocytes, NK means natural killer cells, which are the major factors to help us in immunity. They are having very good strength, so they protect us from any disease. As against, if you see the unhealthy person, he has got low or poor immunity, the strength of the T cells, B cells, natural killer cells, that is NK cells, all other factors, their strength is low, so they cannot protect us from any disease. Some more symptoms like premature or early aging, that somebody always says, you look old. Common symptoms like loss of hair, the skin becomes loose, you lose the power of the muscles. In fact, a tiredness which comes after accident or for any operation or surgery is due to reduction of immunity, because immunity fights to recover from all these accidents or operations. There are certain chronic diseases like chronic kidney disease, other major diseases, diabetes, heart problems. All these problems, all these diseases, they take a very serious turn if your immunity is low. But if your immunity is good, you will be able to fight with these diseases. Improvement in immunity can be done by you only. Nobody is going to help you. So you have to be your own hero. The best way is a natural way. There are 5 Panchatattvas: space, fire, air, water, earth. That is Prithvi, Aap, Tej, Vayu, Akash. Nature has got immense power. One can take help of them to build up the immunity. This is the natural way. Apart from nature, we can also build up the immunity by help of the traditional sciences. Lot of things have been mentioned in our traditional sciences: Ayurveda, yoga, naturopathy or Nisargopchar. But it is very important, at this age I must stress this point, it is very important that we should use all these sciences on a very scientific and with scientific test. Because many times, if you are not doing it properly, it can produce more damage than the benefit. And many times I have seen this, such unproven things are available in the market and they can be harmful. So one has to be very careful. Our research formulation, I will talk about it. With our experience of 40 years and my team, and based of the knowledge of modern medicine and traditional sciences, we have innovated this formulation. What it contains? This combination of immunity factors which have been mentioned in modern medicine, and there are certain plant extracts which are known to proven to be improve the immunity and which are known for ages. A scientific research has been done on every constituent, and every factor has a property to improve or boost your immunity. We have got lot of scientific data regarding this, which anybody is available for anybody's knowledge. The most important, heavy metals. Many times herbal medicines are known to contain heavy metals and microbia. And if you don't take the care, these are harmful to our body. But we have carried out our safety tests for confirmation with a proper certification. Next important thing is these herbs have been grown in an organic way, of course. it requires lot of efforts. Another point is the formulation has been manufactured in a pharmacy which has international accreditations. This is very important because when you are manufacturing certain medicines, you have to have a properly worked up, I would say, accredited manufacturing place, because if you don't have this, you cannot get the medicines of good quality. Next is the extraction process. What we are use the most ultra modern and traditional methods. So the medicines has given the maximum potency. This will give the better, faster result with less dosages. It is useful in patients in low immunity, of course, also in the healthy persons. If you want to improve your fitness more and more, it will help even for the healthy persons, may not have any disease, but to make it still better, still fitter, this medicine will help. This revolutionary research medicine has been patented. We have put up the application and we are waiting for the results. This medicine has got two parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is initially like a warm up before exercise. It improves the Agni, or what is known as fire or metabolism, and prepare this body for the further medicine. Part 2, it will still improve the metabolism. It's like a warm up you are done, now you are running fast, and it will also help to increase the immunity of every cell in the body. How to take it? Part 1, one capsule to be taken 2 times a day, 1 hour before food, that is lunch and dinner 2 times, along with a glass of water, preferably a warm water, and this should continue to be taken for 1 month. This is part 1, to prepare the body, or what is known as a warm-up exercise. Part 2, this is to be started after taking part 1 medicine for 15 days. So first 15 days you will take only part 1, next 15 days we will take part 1 and part 2. This is to be taken 2 times a day, say about 30 to 45 minutes after lunch and dinner, again along with a glass of water, preferably warm. Part 1 was before lunch and dinner, part 2 was after lunch and dinner. The duration is for 3 months. The next question comes to mind, how long I should take the medicine? The healthy person who wants to become more fit and less serious patient should take it twice a year. First 3 months medicine, take 6 months break or rest, and next 3 months medicine. Because immunity building is a continuous process. It's like saving the money. If you spend the money, you have to earn the money. So if you save the immunity, you are going to spend it, so again you have to continue with the medications. Patient with chronic and serious diseases, for example cancer patients or any other major disease, should take it for 6 months. Then there is a break of 3 months, and then again for 6 months. Sometimes the medicine may be required to be taken for prolonged duration. It could be more than 6 months or a year also. If there is any doubt or difficulty, one should take a medical advice, and we are ready to do that. This is our ATRC department where we have developed this medicine. ATRC department is ACE Hospital. This is a phone number 02025434063 or 72, or you can email atrc@acehospitals.in, or there is a website as you see here. So all this information is available. Of course, with any treatment there are certain do's and don'ts which are very important to understand. If you want to get a proper, quick and better result, you must follow certain do's and don'ts. Keep your digestion and motion in order. A gut well medicine has been given to you for this purpose. You must take your food in time, and it should be nutritious, healthy food, and in proper quantity. Proper quantity food means not very less, not very heavy. Of course, you will have to maintain a regular exercise, a lifestyle, physical exercises, yoga practice and mental counseling, because mind and body are very important factors to build up the immunity. You must have seen earlier that mental stress itself produces a low immunity, and low immunity, that if you lose your confidence, again immunity will become low. So body and mind has to be strengthened with this proper lifestyle, and what I mentioned is do's and don'ts. They are very important to get the proper results. There are certain diet recommendations I will mention here. Preferably one should try to take organically grown natural cereals, grains, lentils, lot of green and leafy vegetables, seasonal fruits, and lot of liquids, maybe in the form of water, all throughout the day, juices, soups, but the liquid intake should be very high. Non-veg, if you like it, it is allowed, but I would suggest it should be home cooked, not the one which is available in the hotels, because many times we don't know the source of this non-veg, and it should be in a moderate quantity. I would suggest jaggery in place of refined sugar, black salt instead of table salt, because it has got more micronutrients than iodized refined salt. This is my personal opinion. Avoid this, very important, fried, very spicy, bakery products, bread, biscuits. In fact, I would also include pizza into this, cake, pastry, cold drinks, salted foods like chips, which are available in plenty in the market. Avoid refined flour, refined sugar and refined oil. Friends, these do's and don'ts are very important. If you really want a very good result from this medicine, you have to follow this. We are always there for your special guidance for your diet, lifestyle or mental counseling, which will be individual based health, body type or prakriti, your age, your profession and other diseases. You are always available at our ATRC department, at ACE Hospital. The telephone numbers are 25434063 or 72, or email us at atrc@acehospitals.in, and this is our website. Before I conclude, friends, this is a really revolutionary medicine which myself and we have all tried for last 1 year. And talking out of my cell experience, in today's world, unless you build up the immunity, you are not able to fight. Forget about corona. To fight corona, you require immunity, but also to excel in your day-to-day activity, in your profession, in your work. Whosoever you may be a housewife, you may be a sedentary person sitting at home, you could be a student, you could be a sportsman, you could be anything, because immunity is one that I would say good life is equal to good immunity. I will end up my talk. Om Sahana Bhavatu. May we all be protected. धन्यवाद.